Okay, so what I need you guys to do is download the book that I've made for you. So the link will be in this email. It's also on this blog post as well. So what you need to do is download it in advance. So like today or tomorrow, and actually go through it before your class on Thursday, so you can have all the resources. So I'll just click it up. Okay. The videos will also be on this blog post as well, because you need to watch all those before you come in class, because you won't be able to watch them in class. So pretty easy. So we're starting stop motion, so you can read through here. Have a read through the introduction that I've got there as well. So these 4 videos, here, and here, they're from last year. So they're from students from last year, so you can see some final work. Again, watch those before your class on Thursday. And you can also watch them on this blog post as well, because I've embedded them here too. So you can watch them. You can watch them now. And here's just some other examples of some cool stop motion stuff. This is the White Stripes, and this is actually how they made it, which is cool to watch. So you can watch those two as well. Then I'm talking about the 3 parts that we're going to be doing in this project. So if I go back here, which you'll read down here, which is the pitch, the storyboard, and the stop motion. So the pitch. So before you even start the storyboard is the pitch, okay? So you'll have to read through here. I'm not going to talk about it now, but read through in the iBook what you need to do. This is just a little trailer for a TV show called The Pitch, which is like a doco about this company is doing pitches. Then I've got some information here on actually what you need to do for your pitch. So here are the main parts of this section, okay? So you've only got the one class, so I'm guessing by the time you watch those videos, have a think about what you want to do, and you can probably come up with this section here and do the pitch. So you can do what we normally do. You can highlight if you want, highlight the actual iPad, and you can answer your questions within this, or you can write them separately. It's up to you, okay? If you have time for the rest of the class as well, so get that pitch done, then go through the next step, which is the storyboard. So again, this video here is a really important one, so if you can watch this before you come in, watch it at home, okay, or watch it now in the blog post below, that'll be great. And then the rest of this section is about storyboards and why we make them and why you guys need to make them, okay. Some galleries here and a few images as well, but I'm guessing you won't get up to this part in the one session, but feel free to go through it all now, so that way when I come back, you'll have all the information. Watch these videos, okay? Watch this video here as well. It's talking about how you present a storyboard, because you're going to have to do that as well. Then over here, this is just a bit of stuff on Argo and the storyboards I use there, just because I like them. They really have not a great deal to do with what we're doing, but they're kind of cool. And then the actual kind of storyboard tasks that we're going to be working on before you start your stop motion, okay? So this is one of the tasks you need to do, which is making storyboards for a favorite scene of yours from a movie, okay? So we'll talk about that. And then the actual project here, the storyboards you need to make for your stop motion, okay? So you'll also see here that I've got to remember to go back to this storyboard basics section, which I've talked about back here, just here, okay? That is really important, because that has a lot of the information that you'll be using. So if I just quickly tap on it now, you'll have a quick look. Okay, so if you have a look through here, it talks about storyboard basics, aspect ratios, okay, how storyboard works, shots, scripts, types of shots, camera angles, what these involve, long shots, okay, so this is all the stuff that you'll be making in your storyboard, okay, medium shots, all this kind of stuff here with visual examples as well, so you can see exactly what we're talking about. Okay, so we want to have a go through that too, so I'll just go. Alright, excellent. And that's pretty much it. So basically, to sum up what I need you guys to do, and here's the actual stop motion project itself at the very end as well, okay, so you definitely won't get up to that just yet, but it's there so you can read through it so you know exactly what we're doing. So that's what you need to do. And then here's your success criteria as well. So this is what we're going to get marked on. So to sum up, what you need to do is download this iBook, make sure it's in your iPad now or as soon as you get this email, okay? Read through it. Watch all the videos that are in there, okay? Especially these ones here from the guys from last year, okay? And the one on how to make a storyboard. So make sure you watch all of these, okay? They're in the blog post below as well, so you can watch them all now. Go go through the iBook, read it all, the whole book itself, so you know exactly what we're doing in this, because this project will probably take us most of this term, so you know exactly what we're doing. And then for this week, when I'm away, okay, you want to concentrate on the pitch section, okay? So you should be able to get that done in the session that we've got. So do the pitch, and then you can probably start looking at this storyboard section, start putting it together, okay? And then going to this section here and start to storyboard your favorite movie scene. So I'll have a PDF that I'll email you as well. It'll have a blank storyboard to use. So that'll be the first session. And then what I want you to do is actually read through all of this in your own time, read through this success criteria as well, so you know exactly what we're doing, okay? And that way you'll be ready for when I come back next week. We can just start working on this project and I can help you out directly. Okay, that's it. Thanks, guys. Bye.